Hello again, folks. Day 4 of the restoration project, and some exciting news to start the day off today. I finally got the agitator post unstuck. It took about 2 days of penetrating oil and heat, but success today, so the project can go forward, because without that there would be no washing machine. So I'm going to turn the camera around and I'll show you a little jig I built, which holds the agitator post and center plate solid, so that then I could use a wrench and slowly free up the torque, or the drive block. I also use this jig to secure the post in an upside down position overnight, so that the penetrating oil could really seep down. So with no further ado, I'll flip the camera and show you this setup. So here it is. There's the center plate and agitator post with the torque block at the top. And I just put 2 chunks of wood and braced it, and then screwed the plate into the wood. And then what I did was leaned the whole thing down like so. And you can see where the pinion gear engages there with the drive shaft. So that had penetrating oil in it, in an upside down position, so it soaked into the shaft, or the agitator pipe here, all night. And then I applied some heat with a torch this morning, and then slowly worked the torque block there with the wrench, and it freed up. So anyway, fantastic news, because now all the work that I've done thus far won't be for naught, because as I said, without this, of course, nothing would have worked. So I hope you enjoyed that. I'll talk to you soon.